Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sine 2a equals to 2 sine a cosine a. So to create about sine 2a, we need to have number 2. In here, we don't have number 2. So we need to put 2 over 2. So 1 over 2 I will put in here. And this one, that is about this one. Now we need to change this one into sine 2a. Number 2 multiplied by s over 2, we have sine s. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 1 over 2 s to the power of 3 plus 2. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have 3s squared over 2 and we have the s. First the derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. dv, we have sine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive, and we have 3 over 2. And we have the integration of s. We have the integration from 0 to number 1. And we have s squared cosine s ds. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have like this. One to the power of 3 plus 2, we have number 1 in here, and you got number 3 plus cosine 0 over 2. We put number 0 cone here, we have number 2. So this one, we have 3 over 2 cosine number 1. Cosine number 0, we have number 1. Number 2 and number 2, we cancel. Next, we can use about integration by parts again. Now, we can use about u equals to s squared. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. dv, we have cosine s ds. The integration of this one, we have sine s. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the integration in here. We have the u multiplied by v. So I will put number 1 and number 0 in here. And we have sine number 1. If we put number 0 go in here, you got 0. Now we just have only this one left. So we can use about integration by parts. Now this one should be about s. This one should be about ds. This one should be about sine s. This one should be about negative cosine s. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, we have negative and negative, so we have positive. And later that we have the integration from 0 to number 1, and this one we have cosine s. So I will put number 1 and number 0 in here. So this one we have negative number 1 cosine number 1. If we put number 0 in here, they cancel. The integration of cosine s, we have negative sine s, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And this one we have sine number 1. Oh, sorry, this one is about positive. Now we can simplify everything in here. Negative number 2 multiplied by this one and this one. This one, with this one we have negative sine number 1. So this one we have negative 3 over 2 sine number 1, and we have 3 cosine number 1. This one combined with this one, we have 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.